we would like to give you a brief overview of the fractions learning pathways. If you go to the Fractions Learning and Teaching page on EduGains, you will see the link to the Fractions Learning Pathways webpage. Once you click on that, the pathway will be more easily viewed. You will notice that there are 3 clusters on the pathway: unit fractions, comparing fractions, and adding and subtracting fractions. Each cell within each cluster is live, so if you click on the cell you are interested in, let's say Unit B, you will go to a landing page. The left side of the landing page provides you with a brief background on the cell's contents. The right side of the page contains tasks that have been developed for that cell. For this cell, there are 2 tasks currently available. Let's look at desktop fractions. Once you select the task, you will see that the template includes a brief description and photo of the task. A discussion of the mathematics as well as specific curriculum connections follow. The educators who use these tasks developed a concise instructional sequence for others to follow. As well, they included highlights of student thinking and key questions which can be used in the classroom to expose, evoke, and extend student thinking. A list of materials completes the information for the task. There are 4 tabs along the bottom which contain additional resources relevant to this task. The Task Templates tab contains all materials developed to support educators in using this task in their classroom. Click on the image to open it and download it. The Implementation tab provides a brief glimpse into the task in an Ontario classroom, either through a photograph or, as in this case, a video. The Student Thinking tab includes summaries of student thinking as collected through the research project. Sometimes the summaries are annotated samples of student work, while other times they are charts with anticipated student responses and suggested teacher prompts. In this task, the Student Thinking sample includes annotated pictures of students as they complete the task. Finally, there is an additional Resources tab which provides easy links to relevant research summaries as well as other resources where appropriate. You can return to the pathway by clicking on the image at the top of the task. And just one final comment about the pathway. It is intended to serve as a support for educators in their planning and implementation of their fractions instruction. Although the cells are labeled A, B, C, etc., educators are encouraged to consider the cells in clusters rather than in a linear sequence. You will note, however, that the unit cells form the foundation for the subsequent cluster focused on comparing fractions, which in turn supports students in learning about the operations of addition and subtraction with fractions. Not all cells have tasks developed currently, but this is a work in progress, so more tasks will be added as they are completed. For more information, see the resources available on the EduGains website.
As we continue with the research, more resources will be available.